MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach. This is our fresh trade in here. This is a 2018 Grady-White 336 Canyon in absolutely beautiful condition. The previous owner had covers on everything, covers on the motor. You can see covers on the leading post right here. There was a Helm cover. There's covers on bow cushions up there. And this is a loaded 336. You've got the refrigerated fish box on the transom. You've got a freshwater shower here. You've got the dive door on the port side, just to start a little bit. This has also got the, this is the color of the outside of the hull. You can see the underside of the T-top. That's what the outside color is. A beautiful paint job on the T-top. This has the crank adjustable outriggers on it already. We move up towards the helm. You see this has got the two 16-inch Garmin displays on here. Garmin VHF radio. This has got the Helm Master with set point, fish point on it, so the joystick piloting. Garmin autopilot on it. Helm air conditioning down in, so this is AC vents up here as well as air conditioning down below. This has got the diesel generator on it too to run that air conditioning, to run your battery charger, run all the stuff on here that you need that 110 power for. Moving around to the front, this has got the backrests for the front loungers. You've got the FLIR night camera up on top of the T-top. This has got the anchor windlass with the switches up in the bow. This boat is in beautiful condition. Call me for a test ride today. We'll put it in the water. My phone number is 904-625-6146. I'm Grant with MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach.